Chhuk TV. Like and subscribe.
Good morning, kids.
Good morning, teacher.
Kids, can you tell me where do you live?
We live in a home.
Very good. Home is a happy place. My home, I have my mama, papa and family. We love each other. At home we eat, sleep, play and laugh.
This is a bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom.
This is a kitchen. Mama cooks yummy food here. This is a bathroom. We take a bath here. This is the living room. We sit, talk and watch TV here. We must keep our home clean. We should help Mama and Papa. Let's revise this topic with a rhyme.
Yay!
H-O-M-E, that is where we want to be.
Hello,
Safe and
kids.
sound.
Hi. Come with me. Let's visit my home. Ready? Let's go! This is my home, my lovely home. Big or small, I love my home. This is the door. Knock, knock, knock. Open the door. Tick tock, tick tock. Come inside. Come and see my happy home for you and me. This is the window, open wide. Sun comes in, light inside. Birds outside, trees so tall. I can see them one and all. This is my bedroom, soft and neat. Pillow and blanket, sleep so sweet. Good night, moon, stars so bright. I sleep here every night. This is the kitchen, yummy smell. Mommy cooks very well. Rice and milk, fruit and bread. Healthy food makes me glad. This is the living room, sit and play. Read a book every day. Watch and laugh, dance and sing. Happy home is everything. This is the bathroom, wash, wash, wash. Brush my teeth, splish, splash, splash. Clean and fresh, shiny, bright. Morning bath feels just right. I love my home, yes I do. My home is nice, my home is true. Home is where love will stay. I feel happy every day. Bye bye, kids. Hi, did you like my home? Say with me. My home, I love my home. My home, my home, I love my home.
Very good, children. See you in next class.
Bye bye, teacher.